Adele's Kitchen, by for the soul, where healthy meals begin with vision. From the pot to the plate, fresh and true, nutrients and flavors made just for you. Adele's Kitchen, food for the soul, balanced nutrition, that's the goal. Tasty and healthy in every bite. Adele's decor and kitchen makes life bright. Spices and veggies, colors on display, energy and strength to fuel your day. Every recipe crafted with care. Adele's Kitchen spreads love everywhere. Sizzle and stir, aroma in the air. Good food and wellness, a joy we share. From the kitchen to the family table, Adele's makes every meal remarkable. Adele's Kitchen, food for the soul, nutrients and flavors make you whole. Healthy living shining so divine. Adele's decor and kitchen